But you mark my name yet? And make sure you mark it good. You don't know if you mark it? Come let me show you.
Okay teachers, this one is for you. Today, we're going to be looking at how to mark your registers. We're now going to be looking at a Chrome extension called Meet Attendance. We can find this in the web store. Okay, go into your Chrome browser. From your browser, type in Chrome Web Store. Press enter. Click the first Chrome Web Store that you see. Lovely. This should now take you to the Chrome Web Store. In search, type Meet Attendance. Great. Select the Meet Attendance offered by playcodes.org. Click the blue button, Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Congratulations, Meet Attendance has been added to Chrome. Now let us add it to Google Meet. Google Meet is what they use on MoeSchools to do live classes. Join or start a Meet. For more tips about starting a Meet, tune in to our future videos. When you sign into Google Meet, it will ask you to accept. Make sure you choose the right account. Remember to allow Meet Attendance access. Great. Now you will see an icon in the middle. This is your Meet Attendance. You will now accept a student. Okay, let us now check. Excellent. Notice how there are 2 persons present. It will show all the participants who joined, who left, and how long they stayed. And of course, there are other options. We can even take a snapshot of our screen. This would provide a visual confirmation of who is present. Isn't that neat? We can start a new sheet for each meet, a new sheet daily for the same meet, and or collect join and left times with duration. Excellent. So teachers, make sure you mark your students in your live class now. Oh no, this only works with the Chrome browser. I am sorry, tablet users. We will keep you updated, however, if we find any alternatives. Remember, there are hundreds of different extensions that we can try for MoeSchools. We will be updating you with tips and tricks for some of these. This is Likkle Wizzies. Remember to subscribe for more, and thank you guys for tuning in.